everybody. How are you? Okay. Good afternoon, dear student. मैं डॉक्टर गुंजन सर आपके लिए कुछ छोटे छोटे टुकड़ा में क्लास 9 to 12 के लिए वीडियो लेक्चर आज से प्रारंभ करने का काम किया हूँ. We are going to start the first topic of class 10th chemistry. तो क्लास 10th के केमिस्ट्री का पहला टॉपिक आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. योर फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड इक्वेशन. टॉपिक नेम इज केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड इक्वेशन. In this topic you learn about, that is the aim and objectives of this topic are introduction to chemical reaction, next characteristics of chemical reaction, word and symbolic representation of chemical reaction equation, balanced and unbalanced chemical equation, different type of chemical reaction. Okay, now first question is, what do you mean by chemical reaction? What is chemical reaction? Dear student, chemical reaction means to change one species to new species. Chemical reaction means to change one species into another species having different properties, that is new properties from the reacting species. So now chemical reaction means, definition of chemical reaction written here: chemical reaction is a process in which transform one or more substances into new substances with new set of properties. Okay, a chemical reaction represents change of species taking part in reaction into new species. The chemical reaction means change of species which is taking part in a chemical reaction into new species with a new set of properties. This is known as chemical reaction. The reacting species, that is the species which take part in a chemical reaction, is called reactant. reactants. And the species which is formed as a result of reaction is called product. Products. The properties of product is totally different from the reactants. Okay, for example, magnesium react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. So magnesium and oxygen are the reacting species. It react together to form magnesium oxide. So magnesium and oxygen are reactants and magnesium oxide is product. The properties of magnesium oxide is totally different from magnesium and oxygen. Okay, magnesium oxide is a white powder, and in this reaction magnesium is taken in the form of ribbon, pita, and oxygen is a gas which is taken from air. Both combined means magnesium ribbon burned in presence of oxygen, it converted into white ash called magnesium oxide. The magnesium oxide is white in color. The color of magnesium oxide is very important for your board exam. Okay, magnesium oxide is a product and magnesium ribbon and oxygen is a reactant. Now dear student, some importance of chemical reactions. What is happening in a chemical reaction? Dear student, chemical reaction involve chemical change. Okay. First, you write chemical reaction involve chemical change. Next, chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction, there is rearrangement of atoms takes place, and after the rearrangement of atom, the new product is formed, new species is formed, which having different properties from reactant. So first important of chemical reaction is chemical reaction involved chemical change. Second, in a chemical reaction, there is rearrangement of atoms takes place. Third, in a chemical reaction, the bond between the reacting species is broken and the new bond is formed in a product molecule. So, bond breaking and bond making both takes place during the course of chemical reaction. Fourth, energy change during the chemical reaction. Energy change during the chemical reaction. The next question arises, why energy changes during the chemical reaction? Dear student, the main cause of energy change during the chemical reaction is the breaking of old bond and formation of new bond. This is the main cause of energy changes during the reaction. In some cases, energy involved in the reaction. In some cases, energy evolved by the reaction. Okay? This is the main importance of chemical reaction. First is, chemical reaction bring about a chemical change. Next, in the chemical reaction, there is rearrangement of atoms takes place. Third, in a chemical reaction, the breaking and making of bond takes place. Fourth, the energy changes in the chemical reaction. Why energy changes in the chemical reaction? Because the old bond is break and new bond is formed. One species, when converted into new species, then during this process, energy changes during the chemical reaction. Okay? Now, next question arises. On what basis you can say that chemical reaction has been taken or not? So, dear student, there are some important characteristics or observation. On this basis, we can say that chemical reaction taken place or not. Some of the properties. First, characteristics of chemical reaction. First, change in physical state. Second, change in color. Third, evolution of gas. Fourth, formation of precipitate. Fifth, change in temperature of reacting substances. इसमें से अगर कोई भी फेनोमेना आप ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं तो इसका मतलब है कि केमिकल रिएक्शन हो रहा है। अगर इसमें से कोई भी फेनोमेना ऑब्जर्व नहीं हो रहा है तो इसका मतलब है केमिकल रिएक्शन नहीं हो रहा है। ओके, तो पहला प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? केमिकल रिएक्शन हो रहा है या नहीं, केमिकल रिएक्शन होगा या नहीं। तो उसके लिए पहला है कि चेंज इन फिजिकल स्टेट अगर हो रहा है तो केमिकल रिएक्शन हो रहा है। दूसरा है चेंज इन कलर अगर आ रहा है दो रिएक्टिंग स्पीशीज को मिलाने पे तो भी केमिकल रिएक्शन हो रहा है। दो या दो से अधिक स्पीशीज को मिलाने पे अगर गैस निकल रहा है, गैस इवॉल्व हो रहा है तो भी केमिकल रिएक्शन हो रहा है। अगर कोई दो सब्सटेंस को मिलाने पे प्रेसिपिटेट बन रहा है, प्रेसिपिटेट मींस सेमी सॉलिड, तो समझ रहे हैं केमिकल रिएक्शन हो रहा है। चेंज इन टेम्परेचर अगर दो सब्सटेंस को मिलाने पे अगर बीकर का बॉटम कोल्ड हो जा रहा है या बीकर का बॉटम हॉट हो जा रहा है तो दोनों ही केस में हम बोल सकते हैं कि केमिकल रिएक्शन हो रहा है। ओके, नाउ ये मेरा आज का लास्ट क्लास है। ये बड़ा सिंपल सा क्लास, बट दिस क्लास इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू डियर स्टूडेंट, बिकॉज आपका पढ़ाई यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है और आप हमसे जुड़ते हैं। नाउ इन नेक्स्ट क्लास आई विल एक्सप्लेन one by one properties and rest topic of chemical reaction. Enjoying this video. Goodbye. Take care.